network spec, closed net.
When it comes to providing today's high-speed battlefield communications, the 3rd Brigade Special Troops Battalion has the technology and the skills to make the connection.
We allow for commanders to command on the battlefield. We provide them with the ability to communicate.
The rapid flow of information is essential to everything the Army does in theater, so it's important to have fast and powerful communication networks downrange.
Well, it allows us to do stuff like planning and coordination and collaboration in real time. So we can have the 6 different battalions geographically separated, but we can all be on the same net meeting, looking at the same PowerPoint presentation, talking in real time, drawing on the sketch, and we can all see that at the same time and have that discussion. So we don't have to all come together in the same room. It can all be done where we're currently at.
These high-speed networks also provide the all-important battlefield communications necessary to win the fight and stay safe.
The brigade and the battalions cannot command and control those fighting elements without these assets.
Keeping communications is very important. Without communications, a lot of soldiers would be injured, a lot of people would get hurt.
The Joint Network Node is a communication arsenal. It gives our troops all the access they need to conduct their business anywhere in the world.
Joint Network Node has routers, switches, encryption devices, everything that somebody might need in order to provide communications for a remote location.
There's just so much that we can do and so much information that we can share. I mean, we have our own file servers here that are hooked up to the tactical network to put all the operations orders, all the graphics, all of our battle command systems. That data resides on these servers, so just a wealth of information that we have available as long as the system is up and operational.
The troops also get to enjoy some of the creature comforts they're used to having back home, like internet access and phone service.
We're connected everywhere just like you would from your home computer. I mean, when we're out here, you have the same access that you would have unclassified as your home computer, and we add the classified network as well. So I can make a phone call just like you could at home. When you look at that capability, it's everything that you have back at the office, you have it out here in the field, and there's no line going anywhere. It's all through these satellite dishes that you see behind you.
Another great benefit and morale booster these technologies provide is the ability for soldiers to stay in touch with their families.
A soldier's family is usually the most important thing that they have, so to be able to communicate with their family, see how they're doing is very important to them. And not just the soldiers, but their families as well, to be able to communicate with their soldier, their husband, spouse.
These technically savvy soldiers are responsible for keeping the lines of communications up and running smoothly 24/7, ensuring that everyone stays connected.
You have to work out the kinks, you have to find out what your major problems are. Sometimes you have to move because the location isn't good. Of course, you always do your maintenance daily to ensure that everything is set up properly. We monitor, and if anything does come up or happen, we fix the problems.
It's really important. That's why we spend a lot of time with these guys training to make sure that when something goes wrong, we've got our troubleshooting procedures down where we can fix that problem and drive on. We've got a lot of smart soldiers that really know how to do this stuff.
Okay.